Shri Sarkar, Professor Padmanabhan, Dr. Madan, Mr. Rotela, Mr. Bhatta, distinguished guests, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. As chairman of VITM, I have great pleasure to welcome you to today's function, and also I would like to congratulate the VITM for doing such a splendid job. You know, conveying the excitement of science is not an easy task. We all read all about these important discoveries. We heard about Faraday and various other people, but how to understand it in simple terms is very important. And this is where I think science museums play a very important role. They augment the efforts that take place in the classroom, where we learn about these, often perhaps in a rather bookish and perhaps even boring manner. And the science museums have this important role where they can convey this excitement, the fun of what is science, what science is all about, to the general public. I'm happy to see the excellent response to today's inauguration, to see the large number of children who I hope will go back inspired by some of these important events that were unfurled in front of us through this exhibition. I should also like to mention that the VITM, which started in 1965 and became part of the NCSM in 1978, has been making very impressive advances. I have been fortunate enough to be associated with this organization in the last 3 years, and I must say that I'm most impressed by the new developments that are taking place. You just heard from Mr. Rotela that apart from the 3 centers that we already have in Gulbarga, Tirupati and Tirunelveli, several more new centers are coming up. In addition to the new centers, I'm also happy to see that the response of this center has been very good. It's important, it's not just enough for us to keep on opening buildings after buildings. It's also important to see how effective they are. We have to see the transmission of what we are doing to the general public. And I think in that sense, the VITM has been growing from strength to strength. And I'm once again, in the interest of time, I don't want to continue because we have other speakers, but I would like to once again congratulate the VITM for this splendid effort. Thank you.